Alright guys, welcome once again. We are given that the sum to infinity of an exponential sequence GP with a positive common ratio is 25, and the sum of the first two terms is 16. We are supposed to find the fifth term, sum of the first four terms. Alright, so let me just grab my pen so that we start. Okay, the sum to infinity is what? 25. We know that the sum to infinity formula is given as 1 minus r equals what? 25. Okay, making a the subject, give us 1 minus r multiplying with 25, or it could be a equals 25 multiply 1 minus r, right? Okay, we also have that the first two sums, so first term plus second term is also what? 16 with this statement, right? Okay, so let me just change my color for that one. Okay, so that will give us what? A plus AR equals 16, right? Let me go a bit down small. Okay. Alright, so let's continue. So if I simplify this one, this will imply that a out, I'll get what? 1 plus what? R equals what? 16. That should give me what? Equation 2, probably. This can be my equation 1, right? Okay. I'll just clean some part of my question. Alright. So if I want to solve it simultaneously, I'm supposed to solve this equation and this equation. So I'll substitute this a into this a. That's what I'm going to do, so that I can solve for r. And that is going to give me, I'll be cleaning some part of my work, so I'll get space. Alright. So that should just give me 25 1 minus r multiply 1 plus r equals what? 16. So I put this function into this function. So if I simplify, I get 25 1 minus r multiply 1 plus r. So that can just give me more space. So that will just give me 1. This is a purpose, so 1 minus r squared plus 16 or 25. If we solve, we get r to be 3 and 5. So that's our r. Alright. So to get our a, we substitute our r into what? Our first equation to get our a, right? So that's what you are going to do. And our a was 25 1 minus r, where the r is what? 3 on 5. And that should give us what? 9 10, right? So okay, so let's tackle this one now. The sum, the fifth term, alright, the fifth term. So how do we get a fifth term? You all know that our fifth term is just AR4. Our a is 10, our r is 3 on 5 to the power 4. You put this on the calculator, that's my calculator. 10 times 3 on 5 to the power 4. So that should give me 162 and what? 125. Right. So that is what? My fifth term. and then the sum to infinity, the sum of the first 4 terms. Okay, alright, so you know the sum formula. Sum of the first 4 terms, so for a 1 minus r to the power n over 1 minus what? R. Our a is 10, 3 over 5, r to the power 4, bracket close, over what? 1 minus 3 over 5, right? So just take off this side. If I punch everything on my calculator, so I'm supposed to get s of 4. So let me take my calculation punch now. I'm going to get 5, 4, 4 over 25, so 5. Sorry. So get 5, 4, 4 over 25, and that's the sum. Alright, maybe you can point it and see if that will be correct. Check the values whether they are the same. Okay. Alright, so that's how we are supposed to solve this question. If you have any questions or any suggestions, you can let me know. Now let me just correct this part small. It looks like some may not see this, but this place was 10 to bracket 1 minus 3 over 5 or to the power 4 over 1 minus 3 over 5. Then we punch it, then we get this answer. Alright, so see you guys in the next video.